Tired of spending too much time in the kitchen for simple tasks? These clever Amazon kitchen gadgets are here to speed things up and make cooking feel effortless. From quick prep to easy cleanup, every pick is designed to save you time without the hassle. Check the links in the description to find them all. Peeling small fruits suddenly feels like a high-speed kitchen upgrade. This electric peeler automatically removes skins from grapes, cherry tomatoes, garlic, and more with just one press. You don't need to rub, twist, or waste time. Just drop them in and let it work in seconds. It peels smoothly and evenly while keeping the fruit intact, so nothing gets crushed or wasted. Compact, rechargeable, and easy to carry, it turns prep for salads or snacks into something fast and effortless. Making coffee gets a lot cleaner and faster with this simple scoop and funnel combo. It measures out the perfect amount of grounds, then flips into a funnel so you can pour straight into reusable pods without spilling everywhere. You just scoop, level, and slide. No guessing, no mess on your counter. It also works great for protein powder, tea, or anything small that needs a clean pour. Compact and easy to store, it keeps your routine smooth from start to finish. Peeling veggies and fruits just got way tidier with this clever peeler. Its built-in container catches all the peelings, keeping your countertop spotless while you prep. The double-sided serrated stainless steel blade glides through everything from carrots to apples with ease, and the ergonomic anti-slip handle makes longer peeling tasks comfortable. Compact, easy to clean, and multifunctional. It's a handy tool that turns everyday kitchen prep into a neat, stress-free process. Meals feel a lot better when nothing goes cold. This food warming mat keeps your dishes at the perfect serving temperature so you can eat at your own pace without rushing. You can adjust the heat across multiple levels, whether you're warming soup, dinner plates, or leftovers. It even includes a timer so you don't have to constantly check on it, and a child lock for added safety. With its large surface, you can keep multiple dishes warm at once, making every meal feel more relaxed and enjoyable. Cleaning tiny messes suddenly feels way less annoying. This mini foldable desktop mop is built for quick cleanups on desks, kitchen counters, mirrors, and even car interiors. It lifts dust, crumbs, and spills in seconds without scratching surfaces, so you can tidy up fast without breaking out a big mop. The self-squeezing handle lets you wring it out with one hand, keeping things clean and mess-free. When you're done, it folds away easily, making it perfect for small spaces where every inch matters. Ice cream night just got a serious upgrade. This heated scoop gently warms itself up to glide through even rock-solid frozen ice cream without you struggling or bending spoons. You just grip it, and it starts warming automatically, so there are no complicated buttons to figure out. It's especially helpful if you have weak grip strength, making scooping smooth and effortless for everyone. With a built-in LED display and rechargeable design, it stays ready whenever your dessert cravings hit. Cooking feels way easier when the chopping does itself. This electric food processor powers through vegetables, meat, nuts, and fruit in just seconds, saving you from all the tiring knife work. With a strong motor and sharp dual-layer blades, you get evenly chopped ingredients without the mess or effort. It even comes with 2 separate bowls, so you can keep meat and veggies fully separated for hygiene. Just press to start, and it turns prep work into something fast, simple, and almost effortless. Breakfast feels a lot more modern when your toaster actually thinks with you. This smart 2-slice toaster comes with a full touchscreen and LCD display, letting you choose settings with just a tap instead of guessing knobs. It heats up quickly, so you get toast up to 50% faster without waiting around. You can even toast just one slice, and it still cooks evenly while saving energy. With wide slots, multiple bread modes, and easy crumb cleanup, it makes every morning feel smoother and more controlled. Corn on the cob is amazing, until it gets messy. This corn accessories set makes it clean, fast, and way more fun to prep. The folding corn peeler strips kernels off in seconds without scattering them everywhere, so you actually stay in control. You also get interlocking corn holders that lock into the cob, so you can eat or grill without burning your fingers. Everything is compact, durable, and built for both kitchen use and outdoor BBQs. When you're done, it's easy to clean and store without taking up space. A splash of fresh juice can change your whole meal. This lemon squeezer makes it effortless to extract every drop from lemons, limes, or oranges with a simple two-handed press. You get strong leverage that does the hard work for you, so your hands don't have to struggle or strain. It even filters out seeds and pulp, giving you clean juice straight into your cup. When you're done, it folds flat for easy storage and rinses clean in seconds. Packing for a trip just got way less messy. This 4-in-1 travel dispenser lets you carry shampoo, conditioner, soap, and lotion all in one compact unit instead of juggling multiple bottles. You simply rotate to select the product you want, then press to dispense with no leaks or confusion. Each chamber is TSA approved size, so you can breeze through airport security without any hassle. It's small, refillable, and perfect for keeping your travel bag clean and organized. Cooking feels a lot less chaotic when the air stays clean. This under-cabinet range hood pulls in smoke and strong odors with powerful suction, keeping your kitchen fresh even during heavy cooking. You can control it with your voice, a simple hand gesture, or a quick touch, so you never have to stop what you're doing. The airflow is strong enough to clear steam fast, yet it stays surprisingly quiet while running. With easy clean filters and adjustable lighting, it makes your cooking space feel smarter and more comfortable. Snacking just got smarter. This mini bag sealer locks in freshness on chips, snacks, and leftovers in seconds. You can adjust the heat to handle anything from thin snack bags to thick freezer packs, so nothing leaks or goes stale. It's rechargeable with USB-C, letting you seal hundreds of bags without swapping batteries. A hidden cutter and magnetic back keep it handy and ready, right on your fridge. What if dinner could cook itself while you do literally anything else? This robot chef handles the entire process, from adding ingredients to perfectly cooking each step on its own. You just pick a recipe, load everything in, and let it take over. With a smart system that adjusts heat and timing automatically, your meals come out consistent every time. It even connects to an app, so you can control and monitor everything without standing in the kitchen. Chopping fruit and eggs one by one can slow down even the quickest meal prep. This smart slicing cup changes that by cutting everything into even pieces in just seconds. Just drop in strawberries, bananas, or boiled eggs, press down, and you get clean, uniform slices instantly. The sharp stainless steel blades do all the hard work while keeping your fingers completely safe. It's fast, simple, and perfect when you want neat, ready-to-use ingredients without any hassle. Cooking outdoors just got a whole lot more fun to watch. This rotating cooking pot spins your food automatically, so everything cooks evenly without constant stirring. Just add your ingredients, turn it on, and let the built-in blades handle the mixing for you. It runs on batteries, making it perfect for camping or tableside grilling anywhere. With its covered design and steady rotation, you get evenly cooked meals with way less effort. A stove you can't even see until you use it? This hidden induction cooktop sits right under your countertop, keeping your kitchen looking clean and modern. Just place your cookware on top, and it heats up instantly with precise control across multiple zones. You get adjustable power levels, a timer, and safety locks all built in. It's powerful, sleek, and perfect if you want a minimalist setup without giving up serious cooking performance. Cracking and cooking eggs one by one during a rush can slow everything down. This automatic omelet maker handles the whole process for you, from separating shells to cooking perfectly every time. Just set your preferred doneness, and it delivers consistent eggs in seconds without constant watching. The touchscreen makes it easy to control, even in busy kitchens. It's fast, efficient, and built to keep up when you need a steady flow of perfectly cooked omelets. One appliance, endless meal ideas right on your table. This compact cooking set lets you switch between a hot plate, grill, takoyaki pan, and a ceramic pot in seconds. You can fry, grill, simmer, or make bite-sized treats all in one place. The non-stick surfaces keep food from sticking and make cleanup quick and easy. It's perfect when you want variety without filling your kitchen with extra appliances. Cluttered counters can make cooking feel chaotic fast. This wall-mounted spice organizer clears things up by moving everything neatly within arm's reach. Each compartment has a push tap, so you can dispense oils or seasonings without spills or guesswork. The clear design lets you see exactly how much is left at a glance. It sticks on without drilling, saves space instantly, and keeps your kitchen looking clean and organized. Making dumplings one by one can feel like it takes forever. This clever press lets you shape and seal multiple dumplings all at once in just seconds. Just place your wrappers, add filling, and press. It crimps the edges tightly so nothing leaks out while cooking. The patterned mold even gives them that handmade, restaurant-style look. It's quick, satisfying, and perfect when you want more dumplings with way less effort. Cutting fries by hand gets old fast, especially when you want them perfect every time. This electric cutter takes over and slices potatoes into clean, even sticks in seconds. With 2 blade sizes, you can switch between thicker or thinner fries depending on your mood. Just press a button and it does the work for you. No pushing or straining needed. It's sharp, fast, and works on other veggies too, making prep feel effortless and way more consistent. Tired of juggling 3 different tools just to make one meal? This all-in-one kitchen gadget handles mashing, pasta making, and even sausage stuffing in one compact device. Just press a button and you're turning potatoes, veggies, or dough into smooth mash or perfect noodles in seconds. The cordless design means you can use it anywhere, and the rechargeable battery keeps you going for multiple meals. With durable stainless steel parts and easy cleanup, it's built to make cooking faster, simpler, and way more fun. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.